morning. Okay, so today I have some errands to run. I'm just gonna go ahead and do my hair for them, but it has now been what, 2 weeks since, almost 2 weeks, yeah, since I redid my hair, and this is what we're looking like at the scalp. We're frizzy, of course. Wouldn't be my hair without frizz, but yeah, go and run a couple errands before heading to Lake Charles. But here is my hair now. And of course, it wouldn't be my locks if it was no frizz. My locks definitely are frizzy. There's nothing to do with water or anything, it's just always frizz. It's just the way a retwist works on my hair. So you can see that. Frizz, 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 frizz. And lots of grace. But anyway, I am using a new product. It is the Oyen Juices and Berries. Smells so good you can eat it. But I spray water on my hair first and then spray this on my scalp and a little bit on my locks. It's like a refresher spray, but it works wonders on my hair. I changed my mind. I'm gonna put it in a ponytail because I realize it's really hot outside. Yesterday I wore half up, half down, and I think I have sunburn on my scalp because the front end of my hair, my scalp actually hurts. But yeah, so I'm gonna put it all into a ponytail and go with it. I'm back. I just had to get a bigger scrunchie because the one I have, it stretches, but it's not wide enough for my hair. So let's try this again. The only reason I pull my hair into a ponytail is because it is super hot, and with thick hair, the wind does not blow through it. So I do not stay cool. I'll be burning up. Whew. I think and I don't have to, oh, what is this? It's in there? Yeah. Nope, got one loose one. All right. Ooh, my arms. Okay. Did I do here? Yeah, there we are. This is an everyday struggle with, even when my locks are loose, a matter of trying to get my hair into a ponytail is a fight and a half. Okay. Ooh, my arms. Okay. Still got a hair out. There we go. Wait. My arms. Ooh. Need muscle strength to deal with these locks, buddy. Very important lesson I learned.